هكمل انا عادي. Today we'll start with structures. If you need to make structure like this hyperloop, okay, structure of metal, of rounds, of any tubes, round tubes, square tubes, whatever. Here in Solidworks, also import okay. You have here something called weldments. Weldments, okay. You need what does it mean? Welding. Same. Weldments. Okay. You can start with your sketch. Simple sketch. Something large, at least 1 meter by if this a layout of your structure, you need to make a frame with 4x4 tube, okay, with these dimensions. Weldment, structural member, just click your standard. You need ISO type, rectangular tubes, SP tubes, square tubes, 2x2, 3x3, 4x4, 8x8, okay. For example, 40x40x4, 40, 40 and 64, okay. Just click 1, 2, 3, 4, finished. Also with its connections, type of connection, 45 degree. Here you can change your connection, 45 degree, okay. Now your main dimension 1 meter, okay, in 80 meter, in 1 meter and 80 centimeter, okay. You need this dimension will be the internal or external. You have to come to here at the bottom of menu and locate profile, and this is a profile. I need this point. Just click. This means that all profile will be entire your sketch. Okay, so now the main dimension of sketch will be the external dimension of tubes. Okay, locate profile and change to this point. See? Okay, locate profile and select your need point. Locate profile and select this point if the location of y-axis is important for you. Locate and check this one. Alright? Good. It's a very simple profile. Very simple profile. And each one of these parts separated cut list will be generated automatically. Have a 4 pieces, tube square 2, because these dimensions are equal and these 2 dimensions also are equal, okay. And you have 2 and 2, 1, 2 and 1, 2. Alright, okay. This is a simple way. I will save it again, save as, and we'll remove this one and this one. You can remove the shadow if you don't need. Now we will continue sketching. So this dimension is okay. We will change it to this. Delete it. 3D sketch. This 3D sketch in Wildman is the same of here. Okay? Just copy of order to be more easy for you. 3D sketch, and we'll go to this point. And come to this point, shift with this point along Y. You can come with this one. Okay. Wildman members. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can't. Why? This is one group. Tournament. New group. Not need, okay. This one, okay. New group.
Just pressing the new group tab and you can continue.
What?
You just pressing the new group buttons.
What do you mean I can? What?
And you just pressing the new group buttons and you can.
Yeah. Just click new group and select your new lines. Okay. Okay. Now we have some problems in connections. Here is okay. Has been cut automatically. Okay, see like that, isolate. Okay. And this one have a problem. Right? In Wildman, you have something called trim. Will ask you, where is the body you need to be trimmed? Okay, this one. And where is another bodies, not faces? Just click, the bodies will be at the knife and the body will be trimmed. Okay, you can change, check. Okay, if you need this one a light cutting, or you need to be fully surface. Thank you. Okay, can make it for more at once. This one, this one. This one is okay. Finish. Okay. have all dimensions. If I need to change, right click or go to this one and we'll create dimension. For example, this, like that. Now, if I need to, okay. Only if the position has been changed, sure, this feature will be failed. You need to select again, okay? But if your dimension you haven't the problem, this no problem for it. You can delete them, no problem for this.
Can you just try to add one? I just want to see. Just hold support here.
Yeah, I will show you. This one you don't need, you can remove, you can make delete, and this one also you can delete. Anymore? No, it's okay. Now you can add some profiles. Go like that, okay, make new sketch. This one, vertical, horizontal, sorry, with specific dimension. And another one, okay, from here to here, 400, 200, you can complicate it, no problem. Like that. Okay. Structure member. If you need to use another one, it's okay. You need the same, it's okay. 1, 2. If no, normally first change location of this one. See, change location and new group, change location, new group, just change location, new group, need to change location, understand the concept? Okay. Native structures. Finally, you can hide all sketches at once. If you need to hide sketches, you can just click. You will hide any sketches at once instead of make it for each one separately. Okay. Now you will trim. Good. This body will be trimmed with this body. Okay. Allow extension. If you need to do okay, don't need okay. This body, okay, will be trimmed here. Okay. This one can be deleted. No problem. Okay. If you trim here, sorry. If we trim here like that, this difference. Okay, just cutting with saw and welding. Okay, another one, another option. No, we'll try to make smoothness. Okay, and we to apply it on the same rounds of section. Okay, I think you don't need to make it because it will take time in manufacturing, and this will be more easy. Just so. Okay, just so, and the welding this point. We have here, yes, we have a problem here also. We need to trim this body and this body at once, no problem. With these bodies, sorry, not this one, and make trim also where we trim this one, these two members with this member. It's okay. Now your model is okay. Give it the material and you can get weight, evaluate mass properties, this mass in gram. You can make options, use custom setting and change it to kilogram. Okay, all right. Also in welding, you have something very good. If you know the specification of welding, type of wire, and you have specifications. If you have, you can use it. Weld bit. You will select only the line or the face that will be welded on another face. Automatically will give you the lines, welding lines. The technician should follow it. Okay, but they're advanced and nothing new till now. You haven't any certificates in welding because it's for petroleums, underwater welding, have specs and something like that. But I tell you just for your knowledge, okay, just select the place of welding and define some specs. You should certify in welding to do the specs. Okay. According to books, these specs can you get from books, okay, not from software. and okay. Now with me to haven't a problem. Okay. Now if I need to know this drawing, I need to know the bill of material. Now I will buy the materials. Okay. I need to know how many meters I need. How many meters I need. If we come to drawing, remember? Do you remember drawing yesterday? First we need to save it and close, cancel. From here, palette, the same option. Yes, FFF. Isometric, geometric. Select any view you need, no problem. This is just axis, we don't need it. Can remove. Now we need to know this shape, bill of material. In drawing, insert, table, weldment cut list. Click OK. Just lens, 2 items with lens. This is lens. These are main frame. Do you remember the main frame? 2 items with 800, 2 items with 1000, 1 meter, meaning this is a millimeter. Okay, 100 for this number and 1 item for this number. See, you have now 14 items. Okay, you can do something good. You can right click like Excel. You know Excel? All you know Excel? Hector, you know Excel? Yeah. Right click, insert, row below, and come here, make equation, function, summation, length, check length, length, length. If one see, tell me. Order number, no. Boom, comments, order name, list, length, blue scale, format size, user, unit system. Okay, no problem. You can select it like Excel, like that. This one, like this one, like this one. Okay. All right. Yeah, this is the quantity of items. You can make it if you need to. If you need summation, you can. But this to know what's exactly fully how many meters tall I need for this section. Okay, how many? Because you need to make a quotation for client. You need to know the cost. Okay.
But that calculation that included for example, the quantity, the 2 quantity. You will calculate only 1 quantity.
Yeah. Yes, these 2 bodies with length like that. To what you in this case, you can do something like that. Column, right? left, yes, right, and create like Excel, okay, and make equation function. You can no maximum, this one by this one, okay, and you can do it not like Excel, not fully Excel, but you can do something good. If I will delete it and insert table Wildman cut list, right click, you can save as Excel, you can save it into Excel. So this project cut list, for example, okay, save. You can use the power of Excel. Now you can do them also and come with data, something called here. There are good in Excel. You can select all and go to, we need to create we need to create table, insert, 1 minute. I remember when it come to mat condition, you can convert it to table, you can convert it to table, where is it, delete, insert cell, no, may need to do like that, insert. From here, yes, it's already table. It's okay. Just some. Working normally, haven't any problem, and print it. So you can use Excel with this software, no problem. It's another will be more easy than here, okay? Because Excel very flexible in tables, something like that. Also, have to come with your another views, this view, okay, and organize your chart here, okay. If you need another view, called projected view, see this site, this welding which options that we made in part, these two lines. This, if you have a specification, you can do for drawing, and technician who will see this sign will know that he will make welding with specific engineering specs. Okay, and you don't need here because no problem for you to welding with CO2 or welding with fiber. These main views. Okay. Do you know about technical drawing about main views? You know, front view, top view. You can generate it from your mind, and this concept we don't have. You have? Or no? If no, I will explain. Okay, tell me. You don't have. Okay. Wait, please, for a minute. Okay. Need to explain something. Where's up? There is something in engineering called technical drawing. What's technical drawing? This is technical drawing. Okay, you're drawing a 3D model. Okay, a 3D model, your technicians in on turning machines, on weldment, on press brake, okay, or in wood, yes, can't imagine how will give him this 3D. They have in the computer, okay, and there are a lot of operators in workshop. You need to convert your 3D model into papers, okay, dimensions. But you have special concept. You should know what's the views, what is the views, and how can come. Now, if I have this block, just box, okay. The view of box have front view, top view, side view, right side or left side. Okay? If you need to identify or convert this 3D model to paper for one technician that will tailor this as wood. This will be manufactured from wood. Okay? So I have this paper. And I have a table. We will explain this issue not transit. Okay? This is print. This is a layout. Now you need to print it and understand him that you need this block with this dimensions. 100 millimeter with 80 millimeter with 80, 70, sorry, 70 millimeter. Okay? First thing, you will put here the main view. Select any main view you need for this part. For example, you will put it one from here. Okay? And have a dimension 100 by clear till now? Okay. Now he know now that you need a square, need a rectangle with 100 by 70 by 70. Okay? So he will ask you what's the depth? Okay, you will say to him depth 80 by wall. No. Now this is your main view. You will imagine that you will view from here, this point. Okay? And you will see what? You will see the same 70 and the depth 80. Really? Okay? This will be the front view, FV. Called front view, FV. Okay? Or elevation. Two expressions you can use. Front view or elevation. That's the same. And this side view, SV. Okay? Are these views okay, satisfied for him to know and understand what you need? This? If he will see this, okay, all dimensions you need clear according to that or no?
For the box, it's okay.
It's okay.
But for another shape, you need to put.
Yeah, it's okay. For this one, it's okay. But now, if I will add something, I will add a hole at the top, and this hole will be through or through. Okay. What the modifications will be happen? This one. According to your point of view, what the modifications? What should be modified? Tell me, wrong, right, no problem.
You need to add something for the flat view. Flat view or top view with the hole.
You will need to add a top view for him. You will imagine that you will see from top and draw for him another view from top, okay, have this dimension also 80 because it will be the same, this one, okay, and the 100 and have this circle, okay. Just when you add only one circle, you need to add view to complete the vision. You need to complete the vision for your operator. Okay? And here there are something scientifically you should do. You should make something like that. What's this? This is very important because here these lines called hidden lines. In engineering, technical drawing, any hidden lines should be expressed with dotted line. Okay? If this line will be continuous, error. No, because really it's hidden. Okay, so these dotted contact that had also in AutoCAD called dotted line. Also in your graphics, called dotted line. Okay. And from here you can know, operator can know that you need a through hole. A through hole. Yes, you identify the position of hole from center to here or from center to here. Yes, will be identified in this view. But okay, the hole have a specific depth or through? No. When you make this, we'll express to him that I need this through. Okay? If not through, and you will specify for him the depth. Okay? Concept, okay? You need to photo or something like that? If you need, if important for you, okay. I think this is exactly important to know in traffic.
So what's the engineering for the side view? Because the front view is very...
Wait, you are right. You are missing. Bravo.
No sir, the engineering term for the side view. Because the top view is plan view. What's the side view?
This side view, when you view from here, from right or left, called side. Okay?
That the engineering.
What it means, what they will, the proper term, how we call it, side view or side elevation. Is asking.
You mean that this side view not necessary in this way? Yes,
how,
okay.
How we will call it in the proper way, side elevation, like the top view, right?
Yes, the top view.
The terms is plan.
Yeah.
And the side view is the proper called side view or
Called side view, yes, called side view.
elevation view. Or
No, elevation is the front.
it's the front.
Okay? This is elevation. This is side. If right or left, called side. Side right, side left. Okay? And top view. Okay? If you know this one, let's see. Elevation, view, you will see only this one. Side view, you will see this is line. Top view, you will see full dimensions. Okay? Understand? You may here, if you will add this view, you may not need this view, not needed, because the dimension 80, okay, dimension 70 also okay, and the circle from top, okay, and the condition of depth are okay. So you may not need it, this only you need it according your view, according your thinking. Okay, you should think good when you make drawing. Okay, all these views are necessary, are sufficient for operators or no? Okay, will be satisfied operator knowledge or no? He can know, he can get all information about this model and can manufacture it without return to you again or no? Okay, it's very important. You will when we measure the success rate of draftsmen in engineering in our fields. Okay, we calculate how many times the operators will return to him for any queries, for any notifications required, something like that. Because less times, good performance. Okay, when operator will not come to you, this means that you are professional. Because that from first paper, all information of drawing has been complete, satisfied for operator. Okay? Alright? It's very important because this return will waste time. This return will waste time. Waste time for him and waste time for you. Because you have another job to do. You will stop your working and see, I will open it, minimize and open and check. You waste time. Your time will be wasted and his time also will be wasted. Okay? So try from first time to get your paper fully dimensioned or fully defined exactly. Okay. In this case, you can use annotations, smart dimensions, the same dimensions in Sketch. The same. Smart dimensions. This one, okay. This has been generated automatically. From this one, if you need this one, it's okay. We shift like we made before in Sketch when we need an edge from a curve or circle. Angle. Angle. Dimension. Need angles or positions from here, for example, from here to here. Okay, and try all. Okay, now if the paper small for you and you need to complete or to continue another paper, no problem. You can create add sheet. We will open now. Add sheet. A lot of sheets you can add. Okay. And we need this one. Just copy paste. Yeah. Just right click copy paste and you can delete it from here. Because here you have to maximize, right click on the sheet, properties, change scale. This scale 1 to 10. Okay? No, we need to scale would be 1 to 5. Will be larger. You know the scale, sure. It's clear. Scale. Now this scale also 1 to 10, 1 to 8. Organize. Okay. Now, if you need to make a specific detail, now you have a detail, for example, for this point. This point, it's very small, and you need to make a zoom out on this point only. Okay. No need to make the scale it's very or put it in one paper alone. No, only you have here in view layout called detail view. What's the detail view? Only you will create automatically, will create circle. and he will get this circle out. You can delete this. This is my default, but will not found. I created as my template. Okay, this detail, and you can left click on it and change scale. This scale can be 1 to 3 or 1 to 1 if you need alone, or 1 to 2 according type of detail. And this, see, detail number A, detail A, scaled 1 to 2, and here you will find A. So when your technician will see this one, where in this, what this, yes, he will find search, get A, and this circle, that he will know that this A zone have its details. Okay, and you can put your dimensions. The dimensions here, yes, see, with the same number, will not be scaled. Not like AutoCAD. The dimensions will not be scaled. Dimensions as your 3D model. You just scale the shape. Okay, because it's a parametric software, not like AutoCAD. AutoCAD is a problem. If you make a detail, you need to change the scale in settings of text. Okay, here you don't need to make this. Okay. Okay. Now, if you need to make a section, because here, this box or this tube not aligned, have a specific angle. If you see, if you can open, right click, just right click or double click, or right click, open. You'll open the model 3D. Here, have a special angle, not right angle, have a special connection. Okay, so you can make something called cross section. Do you remember the cross section we made in model 3D, in 3D part and 3D assembly? Like that is section. When we want to check the door, we made section. Okay, and go to his mouse up and down. Okay, here you have also a section. In view layout, section view, and this section view, you can do this like that, just normal section. Okay, he will automatically get you the position of squares. See, give you the position of squares, of tubes. This means that you build your model and put on the saw and run tack and see. Okay, this is a saw. The cutter and see after cutting. Okay, this is the section. You can change the direction. You can make sketch. I need section for this one only. okay, and this section will be perpendicular, normal, like sketch. The same orders, okay. And select this one first, and go to section. You will see the direction special, and have a section called CC. And here the same name, section CC. You can say no, slice section. Slice section. It will automatically view for you, show you only the square. And you can also change its scale, but not recommended, because if you need to scale it more, you can create detail also for this one and bring it here. And change scale as you like, 1 to 1 for example. Alright? It's okay now?
If you want to add some specifications, like for example,
Text? Yes, okay. Okay. I will show you already, don't worry. Okay? Okay. If you need something called auxiliary view, you know auxiliary jack in cars, in wheels, in machines, auxiliary MP3 player in the car. You have something called AUX, a jack socket called AUX. Yes, it's an auxiliary. Another optional jack. Okay, can help you to connect mobile, to connect anything. Okay, this auxiliary. Also here, what's the auxiliary view? The projected view only get views vertically or horizontally. Okay, get the view from here like that, cut only. Okay, but if I need to make special view from this edge, I need to come to the camera. You show the a photographer how go to crane, okay, and get the camera like that. Okay, it's the same. I need to view this inclinated surface, okay, but where you do that like here. If I have this triangle, and I will show it here from this way, this dimension will not be appeared like that. I will explain to you. This is a rectangle, and I have dimension x and y. Okay, have x like that, and y only for dimension of this entity, this line. Okay, when you make a view, projected view, you will see another triangle. It is a pyramid, for example. Okay, for example, it is a pyramid. Okay, this point is this point. Sorry, this point is this point. Okay, but now when you measure, you will see which dimension, x or y. This dimension after view will be X or Y?
You mean the view from the...
There's a dimension. Now we have a pyramid, total height of pyramid X, and the inclination way, okay, tilting phase, this Y. Okay, sure, if you have something like that, okay, the dimension of this pen from here will be not the same of this dimension. Sure, yes, okay. Now we have the same. Now we have projected a plan. We need to make this projected view. So from front to right, side view, this side view, okay? This side view, when you will project, you will find this dimension, if I will measure, will be X or Y? X. Okay? So I can't see the dimension Y from this view. I can't see dimension Y from this view. Okay? To get the dimension Y, you need to view from here, perpendicular on the line. To view your, okay, you need to view from here to get this dimension Y. Okay, clear or no? Not clear. See, yes, not clear. Tell me, I have the problem. Not clear, okay. You need to. Now we have this. Okay? You have a ruler? Ruler. Plastic ruler. Ruler. If I have one. Now, to be more rigid, on here. Now, this dimension is what? 75, 76, 77, 78 millimeter. Okay? 78 millimeter. Okay? You can come see. Come on. This dimension, maybe 78, or I can't see good. 75, okay? 75. Right. But this dimension, you come to here. I will start this page only. 90. Okay? Okay? 75 and 90. When I would see it from here, okay? If this is a pyramid, okay? So I have another. Okay, I will cut it, would be a pyramid, okay? If this is a pyramid, have a triangle here, and triangle from this, and triangle from this side. Okay? If I would see this project view, I have this one, I have this paper as a wall. Okay? As a wall. And I will see from here what I will get here. I will get this triangle. This one, okay? Yes? Clearly now? Okay. The height of this triangle from the top point to here equal each what height? Equal what? 75. Okay, equal this one. Okay? Not this one. Understand? Okay? Really? Okay. If you need to view the dimension of this one, you need how can see what's the angle if you show will be from here. You need to see like that. Okay? This means that your view not will be at the side horizontally. No, will be inclinated will be parallel according face. Parallel according face. Okay? To make this view, you will use auxiliary. This is aux view. Auxiliary view. Okay? Understand the difference now? Clear? Clear for all? Now, auxiliary view only. Check any angle, any lines. You can do that. You can sketch a new line here, just a new line connected to this one, and click on it and make auxiliary view. See? Now this dimension, it's okay. It's the real dimension of the side of pyramid. Okay? If this one is this number 477.3, $669.97. Okay? If you can check something here, you can check from this point $735.40, 10 to 7, maybe near of this, just some millimeters of cutting. Okay, because this is the real dimension before make angles and something like that. Okay, 738, just 2 millimeters or 3 millimeter difference. Okay, of cutting. This means that this is a real dimension. Okay? Understand the difference between projected view and the auxiliary view. Okay? If no, tell me, okay? Right. One by one. Okay? Ready?
We can say the auxiliary is more detailed view.
Yeah, auxiliary more detailed view. Yeah. You can create also a detailed view on it if you have a special connection here and you need to view, you can make it. Okay. Okay, with the same with view number G. Okay, and this detail view number G, scale 1 to 4. If you need to clarify something for technicians about how you will finish, you will tell him after finish this dimension you will find this shape. or this type of connection, or this form of connection, shape of connection. Okay? If another, don't come to me. This is error. Okay? You can. Clear? Also here, there are some options. If you have something like that, remember this eye, hide all. Have a 2D sketch. Not here, but I need it here. Just beam like that, and you need to make structure member. And trim this part with this body. Allow extensions or no problem. And now we need to make a cap, steel cap with this. End cap. End cap. Only check face and find it. Use the cap like that internally. With thickness with 2 millimeter, for example. This thickness offset, if you need this to be 0, will be a 0 with external of tube. Corner treatment, feed chamfer corner according your, or fillet it according your tube fillet. Okay, finished, and will be added here as a end cap. Okay, Control S and close. Let's reopen our drawing. Automatically has been updated. Okay, and your cut list updated only with 60 items. This description, and in advance I will show you how to make an ID for the file, like your ID, like your name and your born date, something like that. Also, all files should have ID. Okay, and I will show you how can do it. Has been updated automatically, so open it. Okay, so any modification you will do here in the part will be updated automatically to your drawings. So you just need to add or waste time to remake drawing again. You can finish here this feature. If we have this feature, we can delete it if you need. But this will delete all? No, it's good. Delete. Okay. Weldment. Now, if you need to make a special gasket here, web plate gasket, create automatically. Okay, and thickness from one side, thickness from two sides will be thickness. Okay, will take automatically your angle. You no need to draw and check angle if okay, if not okay. No, nothing. Very very simple. That's it for this one. Also you can do. It's 20 for example. It's okay. Okay. Let's check this one. How can be done? Also you can do. Okay. And from here you can change the position, middle, the right side. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, if you have special profiles, now you have a special profile in factory, in your stores, you will generally using it. Okay. So you need to get it in profile called Unigraf library, for example. Okay. You have your own library. No problem. File, new sketch, port, normal port, and sketch. Draw your profile for one time. Draw your profile for one time. Now you have a profile, for example, 8 by 10 or 8 by 10 by 10. Okay, you have a 10 by 10. 100. 100 equal, and you have offset what thickness? 3 mm. 3 mm.
I'm not sure.
Okay, no problem. Okay, you can change. All right. Ensure that these have specific radius or no. You can measure. Okay, you can measure. You can measure with 0.5, for example. This one, okay. Yes. And in this time you should keep constrained corners, not like that. Will be this. Why? I will show you. We need this point. We need this point. Why? To make locating the profile. Do you remember locating the profile? When you change the points, change the position of your profile. Okay. If you create a new profile, okay, your own profile, and will delete this point. When you locate profile, you don't find any points except this one, middle, because this is by default of software. Okay, so you need to make point here and create point in middle. and create point here and here and here. Okay, create your points.
Same as the bounding box.
What?
Same as the bounding box.
Same as the bounding box.
Bounding box? No, not need bounding box. Why bounding box?
For that point.
For a point? Yes, this point like bounding box. Yes, like bounding box. But this only for radiuses. Yes. Edge. Like bounding box here. The same concept. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Go out. Select your sketch. It's very important. And go to File. Save as. Leap fit part. Leap fit part. This mean library feature. This mean library feature. A feature, but as a library. Okay. Okay. Yes. Automatically, the paths of Windows will be changed to this path, design library, which you have here, if you can remember, called the design library. Okay. You have a lot of folders. No, I need to go to what smart components. I have profiles here, haven't any profiles here. Okay, check something. Yes, okay. Yes, haven't profiles here, but I have my own profiles in a specific location on my hard. This location, where is it? Where? Tick. Business for templates. Solidworks. No. Libraries. This is mine. You can make another one on your server, and I will show you how can get this. Okay, 3D CAD library, profiles. You can create structure. Okay, and create a folder called Unigraf profile and put it 10 by 10 by 3, for example. Not important, but just to can see. And you should select your sketch. See this sign. Now you are on a part SLD LFP, that's extension, not a normal part. Okay, let's check. Library. What is 3D CAD library? Profiles, structure, Unigraf, this one. Okay. If you come here, 3D CAD library, the same name, 3D CAD library. This is my own library. You will find profiles, structure, Unigraf. Open new file. You will use this profile in a project. For example, weldment, structure, Unigraf profile, member, locate profile, the points that you created. Okay. Thank you. 2 items. Cutting list. The same. The same. Now you have your own profile. And give you material, aluminium or steel. Okay, the same. Any profile you have, you can do. If or something like that, no problem. Okay? You can do that. Remove this one. Edit. I have 4 items. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? With your profile. Alright? Clear?